Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how you can add a new item in an existing list. That is called a append items in an existing list. You already hear about this name. I already talk about different types of functions, append function, insert functions. In these videos, upcoming videos also belongings to that particular functions, but we explore so many things inside that function. So first of all, here I am going to simple tell about you how append items. We can append multiple list items also one inside another list. So first of all, we have to give in a one list L equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then there is another list called L2 equal to A comma B comma C comma D. Okay, now there is called a L dot append L2 print L. Fine, print L. Fine. So now when you are going to run this code, you will see one list L2 will be added inside the list L. So here you understand you can add the one list of items to an existing list of items. Okay, so here it will shows you L dot append L2. So here you can add individual list items L dot append. Within that append I am giving here float number. Okay, float value. So when you are going to print it L, it will shows you that is 1.234. Okay, 1.234 it will be added to the main list object. Okay, main list object. So here we can add the list 2 object inside the list object, and entire list will be inserted in a given list object. So here you can insert an entire list on a single list, that is called a nested list. Here you can call it as this list is a nested to the list object, means list 2 is nested to the list object. Fine, this is the main reason, that's why it will shows you in this form. Okay, it shows you in this form. So I hope you have understand now till now how you can append items and list to a existing list. For if you have a further any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. And if you like this video, please click the like button and share this video, and click the subscribe button, and also click the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.